Alanke.com.
So in patrolling at night and day, now we make it for about 20 cars.
Yeah. Oh,
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Ambassador.
The keys to the Somali police. With your permission, Your Excellency, we would like.
Parce que c'est vrai qu'au niveau de la mission, nous préparons des offensives militaires,
It is known that within AMISOM that we are preparing for our military operations.
mais nous sommes arrivés à la conclusion que toutes nos opérations militaires n'auront de sens que si vraiment Mogadiscio est sécurisé.
And it is a fact, and we have concluded that all our military operations will be successful if Mogadishu is stable.
We will use these vehicles for the rule of law, create safe and secure environment for the Somali people and the regions.
Well, in Somalia. Go well, go well. How do you say it in Somalia? Yeah. Yours. Thank you. Sergeant.
Alanke.com.